So by now you should have ordered your product. So there are a few other things that you need to do now to make sure that you're all set up correctly, ready for the shipment to come inside to Amazon's warehouse. So one of the things that you need to understand is UPC, EAN, and FN SKU. Now don't let this confuse you, it is really easy and I'm going to make it simple. UPC stands for Universal Product Code, and this code could be used anywhere across the globe but is mainly used in the US. So this is a code that you will need to put into your listing when you create it. The same goes for EAN. EAN stands for European Article Number, and as it says on the tin, is for Europe, UK only. Now both of those numbers, the UPC or the EAN, and you will only need one of those, will be used when you're setting up your listing before you sell on Amazon. Now the FNSKU, that's the label, the barcode that actually goes on your private label product that you need to send over to your supplier to put onto the packaging before it gets to Amazon. And Amazon use the FNSKU code, the barcode, to identify the product is yours and goes under your listing. So let me show you a cheap and simple way of getting this. Now what you see in front of you is one of my listings. Now within the product ID under vital information, you will find that you would need to input your UPC code or your EAN code. Now don't get confused by any of these others, they pretty much do the exact same thing. So how do you get these codes? Well, they are generated by a company called GS1, which stands for General Standard 1. And they are the only company who actually produce these codes. And it's pretty expensive to sign up to GS1 as you would have to sign up for a yearly subscription. However, you'd get 1,000 barcodes. But at this stage, we don't need 1,000 barcodes. We don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on that. So this is what I use. I use legalbarcode.com. I'll put a link below. And all you would need is this one here. One UPC or EAN barcode, which is $7.50. At the moment, they're giving buy one, get two free. So if you buy one, you'll get two free. You'll have 3 UPC or EAN barcodes. And as you can see, they are all GS1 compliant. They are all GS1 approved barcodes. Please do not buy any barcodes from eBay or anywhere else. This is the best way to buy your barcode. You have to have a GS1 approved or compliant barcode. If not, your listing could get taken down and you will end up with a lot of stock that you don't know what to do with. All you need to know is that the UPC or the EAN code basically goes into this section here, and that's as far as you would use the UPC or the EAN code for. Now the last code that you would need is the FNSKU code or the SKU code, which again is a unique identifier to your private label product and looks a lot like this. This is provided by Amazon when you create your listing and your shipping plan. Once you have this barcode, you need to ensure that this is put on one of your labels or your sticker label or your packaging where it is easily scannable by Amazon's warehouse. I will show you step by step exactly how you get this and where you get this from in the coming videos.